Are you cooking your bacon in your air fryer? If you're not, you are missing out on the best way and easiest way to cook bacon, and it's so much less mess to clean up as well. So the first thing you want to do is in the basket base, put a couple of pieces of paper towel. I use the Selecta size, so you just have two rectangulars going this way, and that way, Rudy's climbing up my back of my legs. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put the fryer basket in. And what I like to use are these little parchment papers that you can buy on Amazon. You could do it without the parchment paper, but then all of that grease from the bacon goes down into the basket. You don't have any cooking with the bacon, and the bacon comes out dry. And I don't like my bacon that way at all. I want it to have some resemblance of real bacon with the grease cooked in there. So then all you're going to do is put this in here. Now, you're going to kind of experiment because it really depends on the power of your air fryer and the thickness of the bacon. So I tend to do, if it's the thicker sliced bacon like I'm using here, I usually do 9 or 10 minutes at 390. So turn it on, and we're going to go for 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how awesome this comes out. I will pause for now. Okay, the bacon's all done. Of course, I got sidetracked and the rest of my breakfast is not ready, so I can't show you that. But I can show you how amazing the bacon came out. So I'm going to bring it out here. It's nice and crispy, but also a little bit soft the way I like it. So like I said, you need to experiment with your air fryer and the thickness of the bacon that you particularly are using that time to so you don't overcook it. But I put mine down, and then I take another paper towel and just dab some of the grease off. But look how perfectly prepared that is. Oh, it's so good. And then your cleanup, I just let this cool a bit. I'll go have breakfast, and then later on I just toss this. I take out the, you'll see how the grease is accumulated on the paper towels. I pull that out, and then I just rinse that under the tap, and we're good to go. So I hope you try this out and tell me what you think about air fryer bacon. It's so nice not to have, I used to use my griddle to make it, and then I'd have grease splattering all over the place and making a big mess, or same with on the stove. So it's nice to confine the grease to one place like this and not have it everywhere.